Numerical quotas and management by numbers are not the same. Numerical quotas typically target the workforce, asking workers to meet a fixed work standard or to produce at a specified rate of output. Management by numbers, also known as management by objective, MBO, is usually directed at managers and supervisors. Most MBO, or management by numbers, approaches set targets without a corresponding method to achieve the targets. They are also often set without an in-depth knowledge of the system's capabilities.
What problems get created by quotas and management by numbers? Employees will focus on meeting their targets while losing sight of their actual purpose, such as satisfying the customer or delivering real value. Short-term fixes, corner cutting, and gaming the system become common. Quota-based management becomes management by fear, as workers fear missing their targets and being punished. Safety is compromised. Service quality diminishes. Quotas become a ceiling as people relax once the fixed goal is met. Quotas and objectives set without knowledge of the system generate a demoralized workforce, disengagement, loss of pride in workmanship, and loss of teamwork.
Leaders who eliminate quotas and management by numbers, MBO, will substitute knowledgeable leadership for arbitrary numerical targets. Define all jobs based on customer satisfaction and service, not numerical counts. Focus managerial effort on improving the upstream process by providing a method.